And today I go show you this intro. First of all, go to filter, then the camera icon, then play image, and I chose the color blue for this. And then we go to custom and then do 1280 of width and 720 on height, as you can see. And then I go onto text, click center, and then type my channel name like 3 times, as you can see right now. So sorry about the mistakes. And then I put into size around that, and then click save image, and then do it again, then delete one, move, save image, and then remove that one, and then save image. On this, I would normally have a plain one, but we're not going to do that today. And I go onto iMovie, as you can see, and then we go to all, photo all, then click the 3 images that you did, put it in like it should be the one letter, then the 2 letter ones, then the 3, if you understand what I mean. And then I did the flight, I shorted them out. And then I go on iMovie, then Ken's been disabled, as you can see. Oh, you can add it. You can add music from Spotify, Tidbitty, YouTube, or iMovie itself. And that's the end of my video. Bye bye for now. Music.